Hello, it's Brian from Tech Buzz Ireland. Today we have the WELOCK electronic smart lock cylinder with keypad PCB41. I suppose the first thing to notice is the box looks actually quite nice. It's got very limited information on the box in terms of what it actually does, It's got the website. Could see a QR code there. Model numbers made in China. And interesting, a smart way to open your door WELOCK. And the same thing there on that. Interesting to see also the American US address. Obviously it's made in China, but made in PRC and compliant CE standards. So it's got the basic quality standards. And we'll open it up. Packaging looks quite nice, as in the open it, you'd get like a box of chocolates or something actually quite nice. And we'll just open this up and we'll see what we actually get in the box itself. First of all, presentation is quite good. I cannot fault something when I see a 5-year warranty on the unit itself. That's always a real positive. Again, it's got the QR code, making my life a lot easier. And what do we actually get here? So we get this in a variety of different languages and a catalogue. And same catalogue in different languages. So first of all, I suppose the impression would be this can be used in a variety of different ways. It does say it's a European standard lock cylinder, multiple ways to lock, 1-year battery and safety. And that's the idea. And this is what we actually get in the box itself. Keypad. And anybody who's familiar with locks, that's probably the central locking part that we're quite familiar with. And this is the door handle inside. And what do we get as well? We got 3 RFID cards, and the idea would be as anybody going into an office would probably know that you can normally swipe it going in to an office. It'll just configure it. These can be configured. In the event you lose them, you can connect it to this. And what else we got? And we've got special tools for actually locking and unlocking there. And a couple of what I would call Allen keys in the bottom here, security. So this is in essence, from an unboxing perspective, what do we actually get? What we'll do afterwards is actually set it up. So this is the WELOCK electronic smart door. So it feels solid. You certainly won't break that too easy, damage it. And I'm just thinking if you had a hammer or something, you'd take a bit of a knocking. The metal is, stuff is strong. It does have an IP rating again on it itself.